Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 4th, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is Read Across America. Reading Makes You Feel Good by Todd Parr. Reading makes you feel good because you can imagine you are a brave princess or a scary dinosaur. Help! Help! Save me! Grrr! 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 You can learn about cool places and people. You can make a new friend. And you can do it anywhere. Reading makes you feel good because you can learn how to make pizza. You can find your favorite animal at the zoo. You can make someone feel better when they are sick. You can travel to faraway places. And you can do it anywhere. Reading makes you feel good because you can do it all by yourself. You can learn how to take care of your pet. You can follow signs on the road. You can share a book with anyone. And you can do it anywhere. Reading is important. When you read or when someone reads to you, it helps you learn and discover new things. Curl up with someone special and read a book. You'll feel really good. Love, Todd. P.S. See if you can read all the words I put in the pictures. The end. We're going to make a neon collage sun catcher. And all you're going to need for this is your Craft to Go kit, which includes a random shape made out of contact paper and some squares made out of tissue paper. I'm going to try to get those all out. They like to cling to the inside of the bag. Hold on. One left. Okay. And you should have plenty of papers. You only need one for each thing, one layer. So you're going to peel off the contact paper. And then just put the tissue paper on. It'll stick to the contact paper. And you can do it in any kind of order you'd like. The only thing is once it's down, it's pretty much down, so it's really hard to lift it up if you make a mistake. But we just won't make any mistakes. We'll just make it beautiful the first time out. And you want to go ahead and overlap some of them. I'm just putting different ones in each corner. And I'm just doing mine random. I'm not doing it in like a pattern or anything. You want to try to make it so it doesn't go over the edge of the cardstock paper. Now this one got a little wrinkled, but that's okay. So now that I've got my corners done, which you can do this any way you want, you don't have to do it that way. You can start putting papers in and see how they overlap. That's totally fine. I'm gonna go ahead and work on mine, and I'll come back when it's done. And then we'll take it up and hold it on a window. Right, that's what mine looks like when it's done. It looks kind of like stained glass. And it's just a big mishmash of color. And it'll look really nice in a window with the sun streaming through it.